Getting on the bus. How you do this?
No sé.
Oh wow. What?
Gracias.
That tripped me up just now. I'm like, girl.
Is this for elderly?
No, just go.
In Madrid.
We might have to be on public transportation.
Me too.
Yeah, me too. Ooh, farmacia. So, I don't think they're supposed to be sitting there, but they sit in there. These green seats are for the elderly. They sit in here chilling. Taking pictures.
You're on the bus. You're on the bus. You're on the bus, bus. In Spain. Yay to me. Happy birthday. Oh.
Okay, so we're about to get off. We're at Plaza Mayor.
Okay, not Mayor.
That was not Korean. Whatever.
You want to ask God?
Yes, God, which way do we go? Because we got the left, we got the right, we got the straight.
I think this way. Oh, okay, wait.
Let me see. Doesn't this look familiar, that bridge area?
Oh, that's mad pretty. I didn't even see that.
It is nice. So we are going to figure this out. We don't know where we are going. Plaza de España. Metro de Madrid. Ooh. I think she wanted you to take it for her. Okay. Which way? We don't know where we going and what we doing. What we doing? I'm following them. We go this way. So touristy. How would we even buy? Oh, this is like a tap one too. How cool! You literally just like it's similar to all of the other ones that I see. CC, your Spanish. Insert.
The card. Enter your card. One trip, 10 trips.
One trip.
Aeropuerto.
Oh, airport. Right here?
Sencillo Metro Zona A. Sencillo Combinado. Zona A. But I don't know which line we go into, so don't look at me. Okay, you can stop. I don't know which line.
I'm just showing them what it looks like.
Muchas gracias.
Tap 3 times then?
No sé. I don't know. I'm confused. You just tap it?
Just tap it. Same like Korea.
I would.
I recorded. Hi, Dio. Look how long. Oh my goodness. Imagine walking down these steps. Imagine walking up these steps. So no. Interesting. It comes in 2 minutes. Oh, they give you the time. That's cool. We can stay back here. Oh, how cool.
We get off at Plaza de España.
Yeah.
Okay. Get her there so we don't get lost.
I know,
When we
right?
come back, we have to make sure we come at Plaza de España so we don't get lost.
Not our train though. That's the other side.
That does look like Amtrak.
It does look like Amtrak. I was like, wait, what?
It's so pretty. Is our train coming?
Yeah. I didn't want to sit.
Let's see if she's coming.
True.
Tia, that booty. I don't know. Maybe laughing at you being silly.
So cute.